I'm going to teach you how we can edit a video with a software named Imovie. So Imovie is a video editing software developed by Apple for Mac and iOS device. So in order to go to iMovie software, first of all you need to go to Launchpad, which is on the bottom of the screen. So here I clicked Launchpad, and on the top of the search bar I just typed iMovie and I clicked it. Perfect. So it has opened. So you can see the plus icon, right? So if we click on this plus icon, it is showing two things. One is movie, one is trailer, right? So a movie is the thing which will combine your videos, photos and music to make your own movie, right? Trailer follows a template to create a Hollywood style movie trailer, right? So I'll make a separate video on trailer later on, but as of now let's focus on movie, right? So I clicked on movie. Now now this is the complete outlook which you can see on your screen, right? So I need to import my videos in order to edit. So I will just click on import media. Let's see what happens. Right here we need to click, and from desktop, I'll suppose I need to select these three videos, right? So by pressing the command key I can select all the videos. Let's do it. And now let's click on import selected. So now in order to edit or combine this video I need to drag one by one. Let's do it. So here I can drag this video. Let me drag this one, and in order to get the complete outlook in the bottom I will click here, right? So that I can see the better way, I can see in a better way, right? So let me just drag this video as well. So all this video now has been joined, right? Let's play this small video. So it basically small clips of my winter vacations, right? You can play this video by just pressing a space button or just clicking here as well, right? Alright, hope you like this clips. Now I want to trim this video and want to delete some part of it, right? So you will click on the part of that clip, right? And from here you will just drag like this, right? Like this, okay. So the unwanted part of the video has been deleted, right? Now if I want to give a title to this movie in order to make it more special, right, first of all I can press the background, right, which I want, right? Right, so you can see there are different types of backgrounds available here. I will click on this, right? Suppose I'll click on this, right, or this, okay, and just drag to the beginning of the clips right like this, right? So this is the background which will appear when we create a title for this video, right? So now I will just press the title icon on the top like this, right? You can see that there are different types of titles which you can select. So for example, I select this one, right? Now I will just drag this one to the beginning of the clip, right? I will just do it on the top like this, okay? And now you can just you can just type anything right here. Like suppose I give the title snow and sand, right? So you can just click on the font even, right? And just select any font whichever is much more convenient to you, right? You can see there are various kind of formats which is available there, right? And moreover you can just fill the color even like this, right? So it is looking quite special, right? Right, so now in order to make it more special, now if I want to add a audio in the starting of the clip, so I will click on the audio on the top and will choose like this, right? And we'll choose a good one like this. Like for example, if I just want to play this audio, right? So this one looks quite good, right? So I will just drag this video or this audio to the bottom like this, okay? All right, so you can see that, right? And I can just adjust the audio as per the requirement. So let me just play this video one more time from here. Now if you want to decrease the volume of this audio, right, you can just drag it like that so that it gives some smooth effect while starting the first clip, right? So see it again. Right, so this audio is giving a smooth effect. Right now you can see like there is in between the in between the clips there is like no gap in between the clips, right? So I would like to add transitions, right? So in order to give a nice effect, we'll go to the transition tab on the top, right? So whichever suits me better, I will just drag in between the clips like this. Suppose I'm just selecting this one. So I'll just drag in between them, alright. You can from here you can increase the time as well, but I want to fix it on 1 second only, right? So now let's play the video one more time. Right, so you can see a white effect has been inserted in between the clips, right? So now at last you can insert a title again at the last of the video, right? Normally the people who make the video for YouTube like to insert this item. So if I just click on the title one more time and suppose I just scroll it down, right? And suppose I just select this one and drag it over here, right? So I can just type it like and subscribe, right? So it will give some idea for the YouTube users, right? Like this it is showing, right? So at last we need to save our video, so we need to click on the file on the top, right? And just click on share and then click on file, right? And you can see like here you can just select the resolutions and all, right? And I want 1080p resolution, which is the highest and the good one, right? And then click on next, right? And then I'll save as snow and sand, right? And then I'll save it on desktop. Okay, right, so the video has been saved on the desktop, right? So hope you liked my video. You can subscribe to my channel and kindly press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.